We had to clean our little eyeball because its little eyeball was stuck closed. We had to put water on it. Then it opened up on its own when we dried it. Then we had to put some eyeball booger stuff on it. It's just kind of greasy and it's anti-infection stuff. And now my little eyeball's too bright to see with this light bulb on it. But now him can see, or her can see. Yeah. Her's got a nice little rounded tummy, looks like a little pear. So she's eating good. But now she could see better. Is that better? Now you could see, little one. Now you could see better. Get her back with Mama. There's your baby, Mama. There you go, Mama. Stay.